So hi friends, today I am going to explain exercise 14.3 fifth problem. So in this problem they have given lifetimes from 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, like that with 500 difference till 5000 they have given, and they given number of lamps as 14, 15, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62, 60, 48. So this is the given data. So for this given data we have to find median. So how to find median? So for finding out median, we will calculate cumulative frequency, that is 14, 14 plus 56 70, 70 plus 60 130, 86 sorry 130 plus 86 216, like that. If we should add these all and till end. So we will get the last one as 400. We got last one as 400. This is taken as number of observations. uh, so what is in between? 400 by 2 is equal to 200. So 216 is more than it, so it is not between it. So between it is 130. So we take it as we take 130 as cumulative frequency, and the cross one of the cumulative frequency is taken as f1. You can see cross one is taken as f1, and L is taken as the beside of f1. um, and in median, the median formula is lower boundary plus number of observations by 2 minus cumulative frequency by f1 into size of class interval h. So what is lower boundary? 3000. 400 by 2 minus 130 by 86 into 500. So 3000 plus 200 minus 130, how much? 70. In the next step I wrote it 86 into 500. So now I multiplied 770 into 500. So how much I got? 35,000, like that. And 35,000 divided by 86. If you do the rough and if you do the division, you will get the answer as 406.97. So 3000 plus 406.97 is equal to 3406.97. So this is the solution for this question. So this is the sixth question. In this question they have given number of letters. 1 to 4, 4 to 7, with 3 difference till 19 they have given, and number of surnames 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. So in this question with this data they have given to find out mean, median plus mode. uh, so you all know cumulative frequencies, adding this one, this one, this one. 6 plus 30, 36. 36 plus 40, 76. 76 plus 16, 92. 96 plus 4, 96. 96 plus 4, 100. And the last one and the highest one and last one is taken as number of observations. So it is taken as number of observations. And the formula for median is L plus of n by 2 minus Cf by f1 into h. Here what we got, L is the beside of the f1, that is 7. 7 plus 100 by 2. This one, no number of observations. 100 by 2 minus 36 by 40 into 3. 7 plus 50 minus 30. 100 by 2 is 50 by 40 into 3. 7 plus 14 by 40 into 3. 14 3 is 40. 7 plus 42 by 2 is 42 by 40 is equal to 7 plus 1.05. we will get, no, this one we will get 1.05, that is 8.05. so this is the median. So now I am finding mode. How to find mode? In mode, the highest one is taken as f1, and the beside one is taken as f0 and up one is taken as f0 and the down one is taken as f2. This so lower boundary is taken as beside of f1, that is 7. 7 is the lower boundary. So the formula for mode is equal to L plus of f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So 7 is taken as lower boundary plus 40 minus 30 by 2 into 40 minus 16 minus 30 into 3. 7 plus 10 by 80 minus 46 into 3. 7 plus 10 by 34. That's from the 80 minus 46 is equal to 34. 10 and 10 3s are 30. 7 plus 30 by 34 is equal to 7 plus 0.88. 30 by 34 we will get it as 0.88. So it is equal to 7.88. And number of letters. Number of letters is equal to number of letters they have given. Yeah, before only we took no. Now to find mid we need xi and fi. So xi is upper limit plus lower limit by 2, as you already know. 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 2.5, 7 plus 4 11, 11 by 2 5.5, 10 plus 7 17, 17 by 2 8.5. In this way we will do it, and we'll find the xi. And now fi into xi, this is taken as fi, and this is xi, which we found now. 6 into 2.5 15, 30 into 5.5 165. Like this we will multiply fi and xi in each and every case, and we will get fxi as we got fxi. After multiplying we have to add these all. We will get as 832 fxi, 100 as fi. So mean in direct method is equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. 832 by 100, so we got it as 416 by 50. So this one gets cancelled. Yeah, means doing division we will get it as 8.32. And this is the 7th problem, and they have given weight in kgs 40 to 45 kgs, 45 to 50, like that with 5 difference until 75. And number of students they gave 2. 40 to 45, in between 40 to 45 2 students. 45 to 50 3 students, 3 students. 50 to 55 8 students, like that they have given. So here they asked to find median. So here they asked to find median. So how to find it? Here CF is taken here. CF, you already know how to find CF. 2 2 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 3 28, 28 plus 2 30. 30 is taken as number of observations, and in between 30 by 2 is 15. So in between what is there? 19 will be way more, so 13 will be CF, cumulative frequency. The cross one is taken as F1, and the beside one is taken as lower boundary. So median is equal to L plus of n by 2 minus CF by F1 into H. 55 plus we got no L as 55 plus 30 by 2 number of observations minus 13 by 6 into 5. 6 is taken as F1. And 55 plus 15 minus 13 by 6 into 5. 55 plus 2 by 6 into 5. 2 by there it will become 10. 10 by 6. 55 plus 10 by 6 is equal to 1.66. 15, and it is 56.66. So median here, for this question median is 56.66. So this one in this problem they have given length in between 117.5 to 126 point. In textbook it is 1 minute, I'll show. So in textbook they have given like this. In hint they gave, that's why used in this way. The data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median, since the formula assumes continuous classes. The classes then from change to 117.5 to 196.5, 196.2, 135.5, like that. They have given hint to change in that way, so I changed it in that way. So till here, with 9 difference, it goes from 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5. Now 3 uh, now 3 5 9 12 5 4 2. They have given number of leaves. One CF we have to find. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 13 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 38, plus 2 40. 40 is taken as number of observations. In between 40 by 2 there is 17, means in between 20 there is 17. So beside cross one is taken as f1, and L is equal to 144.5. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus f by f1 into h. 144.5 plus 40 by 2 minus 17 by 12 into h is how much? 9. 9, no difference in every in every case, so we take it as 9. So uh, 144.5 minus plus 20 minus 17 by 12 into 9, 144.5 plus 3 by 12 into 9. So median is equal to 144.5 plus 3 nines are 27, no, 27 by 12. If we do rough calculation or division, we will get it as 2.25. So median is equal to for 144.5 plus 2.25 is equal to 146.75 mm. So this is the solution for this question. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.